Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix NVIDIA Shield remote not working or responding, reconnect, reset and battery fix. Fix 1 is check the remote batteries. Remove the battery cover from the back of the remote, then take out the batteries. Install a fresh pair of batteries, making sure the positive and negative ends are in the correct direction. Second one is restart your NVIDIA Shield. If the remote doesn't work, unplug the NVIDIA Shield power cable. Wait for about 30 seconds. Plug the power cable back in, then wait for the shield to fully restart. Then test the remote again. Third one is reconnect the remote. On your NVIDIA Shield, open setting, then go to remote and accessories. Select add accessory. Press and hold the select button on the remote until the LED starts flashing. When the remote appears on the screen, select it to pair. Fourth one is reset the NVIDIA Shield remote. Remove one battery from the remote, then press and hold the center button and the home button together. While holding both buttons, put the battery back into the remote. Keep holding the buttons until you hear a beep. Let's go of both buttons. Unplug the NVIDIA Shield for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Open setting, then remote and accessories and pair the remote again. Fifth one is remove Bluetooth interface. Move closer to the NVIDIA Shield, then turn off nearby Bluetooth devices that are not being used. Remove any large metal object blocking the signal. Test the remote again. Thanks for watching.